Let's dive straight into rapid feedback methods, because in the world of teaching, feedback is king and speed is its queen. Here's the deal. Immediate feedback keeps the learning momentum going. Imagine you're in an Arabic class and when a student fumbles with the past tense, instead of making a note to talk about it next class, address it right then and there. This is called real-time correction. It's about nipping errors in the bud and turning them into instant learning opportunities. The trick is to do it in a way that's constructive, not critical. You're not just correcting, you're coaching. Now, let's talk tech, because it's 2024 and we should use it to our advantage. Enter digital exit tickets. At the end of the lesson, have students answer a quick question or two related to the day's material through a digital platform. Think Google Forms or educational apps. You get instant insights into their understanding, and you can tailor your next lesson based on real-time data. It's quick, it's effective, and it's ridiculously easy to implement. Another killer strategy is peer feedback sessions. Organize quick, structured peer review sessions where students can give and receive immediate feedback on each other's work. It fosters a collaborative learning environment and helps students learn from their peers' perspectives and mistakes. To wrap everything up, rapid feedback is about keeping the learning train moving at full speed. It's about being agile and responsive. And most importantly, it's about keeping your students on track. So go ahead, try these strategies in your next class and watch the magic happen. And hey, don't forget to share your rapid feedback wins. Snap a photo or a quick video of your students engaged in peer feedback session and tag it with rapid feedback, teaching innovation, or immediate learning. Let's show the world how fast feedback can transform the language learning environment. And if you haven't taken our CI Proficiency quiz yet, what are you waiting for? Take it now at mm.us/CI quiz. Happy comprehensible input!